case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a maritime showdown in the Supreme Court of the United States, the captains of two schooners were locked in a contentious legal battle over a calamitous collision way back in 1874. The drama unfolded within the icy confines of the Delaware Breakwater during a blustering snowstorm where the schooners, the Clara and Julia Newell, met an unfortunate fate. The Julia Newell, a smaller schooner, had been lying afloat with no watch on deck during the inclement weather. Without the necessary precautions to prevent such disasters, it ended up sinking. In stark contrast, the Clara, a larger vessel, had sufficient lighting, a vigilant lookout, and a substantial crew, thereby successfully avoiding a similar calamity. In the aftermath of the collision, the owners of the Julia Newell made an audacious move and filed a lawsuit against their counterparts on the Clara. The owners of the Newell alleged negligence on the part of the Clara, despite their own vessel's lack of watch on deck during the pivotal snowstorm, an oversight that the court ultimately attributed the collision to. Unwittingly, the decision by the Newell owners to take legal action led to their downfall. After delving into the details of the incident, the court unequivocally held the crew of the Julia Newell responsible. The court ruled, reinforcing a long-established legal principle that if one party is entirely at fault, they must bear their own losses and compensate the other party for damages incurred. The lawsuit culminated with a decisive victory for the Clara. The Supreme Court affirmed the lower court's decision, clearing the crew of the Clara of any wrongdoing and reinforcing the onus on the Newell to shoulder their losses. Thus, in this battle of the schooners, it was the Julia Newell who had to pay the price for their ill-advised tactics during the relentless snowstorm.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.